Hello, how is everybody doing today? It is Saturday. Was out at garage sales. This is not the estate garage sale video, but I had such a fantastic find, something you never ever see at sales. I'm pretty darn excited about it, so I'm going to show it to you right now today so you can share in that excitement. Have the Zords out. So this is my Zord collection. As you can see, everything's pretty darn new. It's impossible to find vintage like 2010 Power Ranger stuff. I did find, and I can't locate it, did find a Zord a couple weeks back, but I'm about to put in front of you what I found today. This thing is massive. It's so darn incredibly massive that you can barely see it in the screen. It is the Super Power Rangers Lightspeed Rescue Super Train. I saw it right away. I was like, what? No way. It is nearly complete. I paid that price for it. It's nearly complete. The only two things that's missing is two covers for the arms. I'll show you that in a second. But the other thing that was funny is when I saw it, it was like this. Let me put his... It was like this. I was like, that is the weirdest looking Megazord ever. Because every Megazord, you know, has a face. Pop that open. After I got home, I was like, that's much better. Anyways, this is what I'm missing. I'm going to show you a little bit what it does. You pop this out. This comes out. Looks like a proper train, but if you'll notice, it's still got that fist in the front. That's because there's a cover for the fists when it's in train mode. It looks like that on the left and that on the right. So, missing this one. There's a cover that goes over his fist when it's in the train mode. So, pretty darn cool for a grand total of $4. I actually have this sword because I bought it individually once. So there it is. I'll be hunting for those two parts. The problem is it's very hard to find them. And most people, not most, some people sell it. When they sell it without the covers for the arms. But there it is. This is by far the oldest Megazord I got. Happy to find almost complete. We'll call it complete Megazord. Made me a happy dude today. A couple days I will get the complete video of what we found the last couple days. I found more goodies that are in those bags. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of this. We're going to have to find a spot for it now on my shelf. Adios.